Hey, this is part 6, and first of all I want to tell you we already published this app on Play Store. I already give the link in the description. You can just go throughout. Here is the screenshot and app, so you can check it out, all the features by itself. And I already mentioned a video, so this is my website and here is the bottom, this is the video, so you can check it out, all the feature without installing app in my video. Okay, so in this video we are just correcting some layout. In last video we just made some layout like as row, product and category and menu. I add some new attributes, so let's copy paste. This is my website, I will give this link in the description. So this is my row product layout, so copy, not row product, from here to here. Yeah, this is the second one, so let's go copy and paste. Okay, so here we find an error. It says Drawable design 2, so we need to make a design 2 in Drawable. So right click, new, Drawable Resource File, and here design 2. Okay, so design 2 layout is already pasted in my website. So this is the Drawable design, so copy and let's paste it. Sorry, here. Yeah, so now let's check. Okay, there is no more errors. Okay, now let's go for row category. So row category, here is, let's copy and let's paste it here. Okay, so the last one is the menu bottom nav. So here is the code, this is the row and this is the menu bottom navigation. Copy and paste it. He is asking two new icons, is the my order and about us. So I already made this icons. You can make by vector assist. So here paste. Yeah, you can make by click on the right click on Drawable, new, and here is the vector assist. So you can just choose any icon and create by yourself. Okay, so let's close. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is from the value and theme 2, we need to change the material 3 to AppCompat in both theme. This is mandatory because our button design will not work if we are not doing this. So this is it for this video. See you in the next part.